In this video, let us understand how to draw chessboard. So you can see that there are totally 8 rows and then 8 columns. So first block, then next white, block next white. Like that you need to generate the drawing. Let's see that how to write this code step by step. So once you complete this video, then you know like how exactly you have to write and how easy it is or how difficult it is, then we can understand. So once you practice, then definitely not forget to write this kind of programs. Okay, let us start. So here we have started Python. So this is a shell. Go to file and then create a new file. So we'll have a file over here. Import turtle tturtle.turtle. So we have many examples. In the description, the example links are provided. So please watch them. So you can learn more turtle programs here, and also you can learn basic commands. Also you can learn Python also. So for all the links provided. So please check. Otherwise, go to our channel, that is iBlix tutorials. Right, when you click videos, so you can see that we provide a lot of videos over here. So please browse them. So you're interested to learn Python, you can learn Python over here. Apart from this, you can also learn other language projects too. So please check and which other videos you are interested, you please watch them. Fine. So anyway, I'll come back. Now the aim is to write the chessboard. So in order to write the chessboard, what you can do is first we'll draw the box. So in order to draw the box, say FD 50, move forward. Then you need to turn right, RIGST, 90 degree. Okay, so this we need to repeat 4 times. So therefore for n in range, so I'll take 5 because I need to move the cursor to the end of the box. So range 5, then we'll take right side. Fine. Now save this and then run. Sorry, colon, right. Save, run. Okay, so now you can see that it's turned well, but see the turtle turned 90 degree. This 90-degree turn we don't want. Actually it should be straight because we can write the next one. Therefore what we can do is here we'll check if n is equal to 4. Okay, so if not is equal to 4, then you have to turn, otherwise you don't need to turn. Okay, sorry. Fine, perfect. So it comes out there. Now you can repeat this particular loop again. So therefore I can use one more for loop. So totally we required 8. So let's say 8. So this you can call as B, and I'll take one step forward. Done. So now if I run this, fine. So now we can able to write all the 8 boxes. Okay, 2 loops with 8. But what happened, like, so if we go at center, okay, so therefore what we can do is, let's declare x and y. X is equal to, so let's take 250 and y is equal to 250. We'll start somewhere in the left side. Then we want to take the cursor to that location. Therefore you can say t dot pen up. First we'll remove the writing. So then we said t dot go to this particular location, x comma y should go over there. Then t dot pen down. Then so the for cursor first will go to 250. So this is minus 250. Therefore you have to give minus x here, minus 250, because it has to come. If you take the coordinates, so this side is a minus x, so this side is a plus x. Now so let's save this and just run. Perfect. Okay, it's writing now. So next is we need to fill the colors. So we require 2 colors. So not to, okay, C set, color set, that is equal to, one is white, so let's say white. The other color is black, so let's say black. So now color is ready. Then we have to fill the color. So before fill the color, so we need to select the color. So therefore you can say T fill color, that is C set of, so it's a 0 or 1. So we need to know C 0 or 1. For that we'll take one more variable, let's say choice variable, that is equal to 0. So you can say C var. Okay. So next step is always 0 only. So we don't want always 0. We want to 1 0 1 0. It should interchange. What we can do is if C var is equal to 0, then we make C var to 1 is equal to 1. Else C var is equal to 0. C var is equal to 0 means we will make 1, 1 means we will make 0. Fine, let's see what will happen. So then you have to say fill color here. So T dot begin fill. Then you have to say end fill. So here it's supposed to be end fill. So once this is get over, we want to do the end fill. So save, run, C var. Okay, so here one more colon. So block white, block white. Right, so one row is over now. So we completed the one row. Now what you have to do is you have to take this to over here. Then you have to draw the next line. For that again we require one more for loop. So therefore you can say for. So A. Okay, so this will take over here. Then one step forward and you take one step forward. Done. Now X, Y. So initially these are the values. Now each time the Y value will changes. Therefore what you can do is Y is equal to Y minus 50. Y minus 50. So Y value will be keep reducing. So next time when you come back here, X value is 250 but Y value will be minus this thing. Okay, so one more thing we need to do is, so this C var should not be always 0. Therefore once it's 0, once it will be 1. So what we can do is we can use if, so here is a percentage 2 is equal to, or okay, this only will pass it across. Instead of initialize with 0, we say C var is equal to a percentage of 2. So first we'll give 0, then 1, then 0, like that. Okay. So therefore we'll generate 0 or 1 here. So then if 0 or 1, we'll change it over there. Now let's see that how it works. Okay, so first line is going well. Okay, white, so block. Okay, fine. So it's done. Alright, so this is the code you're supposed to write. So let's revise once again. So we have three loops here. So three for loops. So turtle instance, two colors. C set there are two colors here. And first initialize the values X and Y values. And here is the first loop for 8. Therefore it can go up to 8 rows. So then we'll take the cursor to the first starting point. then we'll check the C variable and we're reducing the Y value, and in this case we'll check the C var. If C var is equal to 0, then we'll make it 1. 1 means 0. Then we'll fill the color with corresponding black or white. Then we'll generate the box here. Then because we started the begin fill here and we are end fill, therefore it will fill the colors. So this is how you're supposed to write the program, and hope you understand this. Happy coding. Please learn, and we'll come out with more videos. Keep watch this channel and keep learn. Thank you very much.